Starting to put the seats back in. Mounted this amplifier. I did leave some breathing room behind it, enough you can put some fingers behind there. Use some pieces of wood for now. Can't really see them and the amplifier's still dirty. But I'll get into some explanation here. You have your front channel running off of here, which I'm actually running my rears and my fronts both off of that. And these two extra, you have your rears and you have your subwoofers. I'm not sure which is which yet, but I will know. And I do not have my RCAs running with my zero gauge. Actually, I have my zero gauge running on this side. My RCA is running over here. So trying to keep them separated is going to be a pain in the butt. Cleaned my rims today, and as far as the head unit goes, I went with DNX 571 HD with GPS navigation. It's a pretty nice head unit. I had Geek Squad to install half of it, and then I installed the other half. I had them to just hook it up to where it powered, and then from there I went ahead and did everything else just the way I wanted. Alright, that's all.